morning, students. In this video, we learn about the converting from any base to any other base. For example, if we want to convert from binary to octal and hexadecimal, we want hexadecimal to binary, we want hexadecimal to binary and octal, we want to convert octal to hexadecimal and binary number. These all conversion are covered converting from any base to any other base. So in this video, we let's do some example here. For example, my value is 1948.B6. B is there, so hexadecimal number is this is one. Then we convert it into binary. Binary base is 2, and we want to convert it into octal. So first this question we convert this base, this 16, and 16 is the base of hexadecimal. So first we convert it into binary, and the binary base is 2. After that, after that this binary number we convert it into octal number. So first we convert hexadecimal to binary and then binary to octal number. Okay, for this we need four variables value table here, and four variables means 2 raised to power 4 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and multiply 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So in this table we required 16 rows and 4 variables. So first we write down here the table of four variable w, x, y, z. In first row we write down here 8 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We already know that how to create this table. Then 8 ones 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. After that 4 0 1 2 3 4 4 ones 1 1 1. Again 4 0 1 2 3 4. Again 4 ones. Okay. After that 2 0 2 1. Again 2 0 2 1 2 0 2 1 2 0 2 1. And last column 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, guys. So his exact numbers are 0, and this complete combination is 1, and these combinations 2, these are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E and F. So now we convert it. So first you can write down the question here 1 9 4 8 dot B 6. Clear? So first you can find out the value of 1. This one here hexa number is 1, this one 1, and the combinations are 0 0 0 1. So write down here 0 0 0 1. After that 9, in 9 here 1 0 0 1. So you can write down here this one 1 0 0 1. After that 4, this 4. So 4 combination is 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. After that value is 8. 8 means this one 1 0 0 0 dot. After dot B, and this B means this one 1 0 1 1. After that this 6, and 6 means 0 1 1 0 here. Clear? So we convert this number in binary. So our binary number is write down here 0 0 0. Every time start from the this side 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 dot 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, this is our binary number. Now you can convert this binary number into octal number. Now you can convert this binary number into octal number. So convert it. For this we required table of three variables. So we can write down here x, y, z, octal 40 1 2 3 4 4 ones 1 2 3 4, then 20 2 ones, again 20 2 ones, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, and octal number is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now we make the combination of 3 3. Now we make the combination of 3 3. For example, 1 2, we make the combination of here. First you write down 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 triple zero double one double zero 10, then again 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 dot 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. In hexadecimal to binary combination of 4 4 pairs, but in octal to a combination of 3 3. So you can start always from these three one pair, after these three, then these three, and then these three. And if one is left, we add from the our side 2 0 here, so one this. Okay, and now you can make the combination these three, then these three. If one is left, then you can make the 0 from your side 1 0 0. Now you can find out 0 0 0 0 0 0 means 0. Okay, 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 4 1 0 1 5 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 5 1 0 1 5 1 0 0 4. So this is our 0 1 4 5 1 0 dot 5 5 4. This is our octal number. This is the binary of 1948.B6 16, and this is the octal. So you can write down the answer in this way: 1948.B6 is equal to, and then write down this one binary 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 dot 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. So you can write down in this form. After that, again write down 1948.B6 16 is equal to 01451 octal. So this is the conversion of any base to any other base. Clear everyone? We take one more example here. For example, my value is 7 5 6 4 3 dot 5704. This is my octal number, or we want to convert it into hexadecimal and binary in both for octal to hexadecimal and binary in both. So first we convert octal to binary, then we convert it into hexadecimal. For this we required three variables table. First 43.5704 for 7, I think triple one. Okay, this one. So you can write down here 111. For 5 you can write down 101. For 6 you can write down 110. For 4 you can write down 100. You know na, 100 means here this from the table 100. Then for 3 you can write down 011 dot. For 5 you can write down 101. For 7 triple zero. For 0 triple three zero. And for 4 100. So this is the binary. You can write down in this way 75643 dot 5704 octal is equal to, and this value, complete value, you can write down here uh, 1, you can write down here 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 2 3 0, then 2 1 dot 1 0 1 1 1, write down in continuous 0 0 0 1 0 0, and this complete is our binary. And now you can convert this binary into hexadecimal. So you can write down here 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 dot 1 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, then triple zero, then 100. Now you can make the combination of 4 pairs. Now you can make the combination of 4 and always start from this side 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and 1 0 is less, then you can write from your side, you can assume 1 0 here, and now make four from point after point. 4 pairs 1 2 3 4, then again 4 digits pair, and then again 4 digit pair. Now you can need the hexadecimal table, and the hexadecimal table is our 4 variables table. So first is our 0 1 1 1, so you can find out 0 1 1 1 is our 7, so you can write down here 7. After that you can find out 1 0 1 1, and this is our b, so you can write down here b. After that you can write down 1 0 1 0 means a, 0 0 1 1 3 dot means b, and 1 0 0 0 c, and this one is your 4. So this is our hexadecimal number. So you can write down your answer in this way 7 5 6 4 3 dot 5 7 0 4 octal equivalent to 7b a 3 b c 4, and this is my hexadecimal number. So clear everyone, this is the conversion of any base to any other base. If hexadecimal number is given and we want to convert it into binary and octal, so first we convert it into binary, then we convert binary to octal. And if already octal is given and we want to find out the binary and hexadecimal, so first you can convert it into binary and then you can convert the binary into hexadecimal. So here our video is completed. Thank you so much everyone. In next class we learn about the next topic. Thank you so much, everyone.